Hi there! I'm here to introduce two new label presses to Xeikon's already extensive label portfolio. Throughout the years, the choices of different digital label presses have become numerous. But as a business owner, the facts and figures that drive a successful decision have not changed. You're looking into what your end-use applications are, what kind of substrates you want to print. You're looking at the quality, the look and feel you want to achieve, and that actually drives your decision if you're going UV inkjet or toner technology. But there's also another layer to it. What kind of volume do you aspire? Also, that drives the decision. You could, for example, go for a very high-speed label press, but if your volume is only very small, for example, 20,000 square meter or 30,000 MSI per month, then that investment will not pay back. Your operator will be sitting idle there, your press will be sitting idle, and that is of course not something that you wish for your business. So, meet our Xeikon CX30 and Xeikon CX50, two entry-level presses of our Cheetah series. These presses are ideal for label converters that do not have the volume yet in digital printing. And secondly, it's also the ideal investment for people that do not want to have a very high financial risk. With these presses, you will be able to address a very broad range of end-use applications. Think about wine and spirits, food, pharmaceutical, health and beauty, premium beer, even durable labels when you would apply a varnish or a laminate. And on top of that, you have the capability to upgrade these entry-level presses to either higher speeds or wider web widths and higher speeds. So your investment is secured for the future. These two presses are built upon the Xeikon Cheetah 2.0 technology. The press architecture exists out of 5 printing stations, and these printing stations have a variable repeat length, which means that the speed is not impacted by the number of print stations you're using, it's not impacted if you want to print high opacity white, it's not impacted by the size of the label, neither is it impacted by the resolution and quality that you want to print. By the way, these print stations are equipped with a 1200 dpi writing head, so that allows you to achieve a quality level comparable to gravure, offset printing and flexo printing. You can even do very high-level security features with it. The press is also holding a quality management system that is monitoring your densities and your registration and adjusting this automatically, ensuring that the presses are operating within the quality standards that you set forward for your company. Now a bit more specific, the Xeikon CX30 is a press with a web width capability of 330mm or 13 inch, with a printing speed of 20 meters per minute or 65 feet a minute. Next to that, you have the Xeikon CX50. The Xeikon CX50 has a web width capability of 520mm or 20.4 inch and a printing speed of also 20 meters a minute or 65 feet a minute. Now this Xeikon CX50, due to its web width, gives you the capability to actually print more productive, large-sized labels. And that is of course a very unique feature and might help you specifically in your label business. Cheetah 2.0 technology is also using dry toner. And dry toner comes with a lot of advantages. Think about, for example, the capability of printing on standard flexo material, standard label material. You're avoiding any additional cost in terms of priming and what have you. You're avoiding any additional stock in stocking the material in your warehouse. You could use the same materials that you're using on your flexo machines. On top of that, we've also made the choice to invest and use high quality pigments inside the toner, meaning that they are very light resistant, a very high light fastness. And that ensures that your labels are not only looking nice today, but also tomorrow. A very important aspect. A third thing is that dry toner is also the best technology when it comes down to food safety, compared to any other digital printing technology. Think about it. There's no liquid substances, there's no VOCs. So from a migration perspective, it is a very ideal concept to use this technology into a food-safe environment. We're offering the toner in different colors. Standard, it's CMYK. Then you have the technical colors, which is the one-pass opaque white and a UV reflective clear toner. We also have gamut extension colors, red, green, blue, super black, orange, all allowing you to expand the color gamut beyond CMYK. We have also the creative colors, matte silver, palladium silver, and last, you can actually make your own unique color. So we have a program to make custom colors. The Cheetah 2.0 technology holds also a very important thing, the workflow technology, known as the X800 digital front-end. This digital front-end is crucial in your digital business. It helps you in doing simple and complex things like, for example, sequential numbering. But at the same time, and even more important, it helps you also to automate your job preparation. And this is really crucial because inside the digital business, you will be getting more jobs. So automating that job preparation is a very important aspect. The X800 will take you also on a journey to transform your company and digitalize your print manufacturing. Think about it connecting with your MIS, your ERP system, or even with the cloud, so that you can gather data and information to make fact-based decisions. We've taken also care of a very specific machine-machine user interface or a man-machine user interface, ensuring that the job information flows very fluently without any human interaction between all the different production steps. All this will drive the factor of OEE, a very high OEE, ensuring that on your press you get the maximum sellable output per hour actually. And that's of course a key component to the success of your business. Our Xeikon CX30 and our Xeikon CX50 are the solution to embark on the right-sized investment and making your digital journey successful.